If you're just starting to use herbs for medicinal purposes, you need to know which herbs to keep on hand and what they're used for. Today you will be learning about the wonderful benefits of lemon balm. Lemon balm, or Melissa officinalis, is in the mint family. And since mints are on a mission to take over the world, if you're going to grow your own, plant it in a container to keep it under control. But this wonderful herb has so many health benefits, plus it tastes lovely, so you need to keep it around. Lemon balm has been known for thousands of years for relieving the effects of stress-related issues. In fact, a double-blind, placebo-controlled study published in 2018 showed lemon balm significantly reduced depression, anxiety, and insomnia in patients with chronic stable angina. Lemon balm is an excellent tea to drink if you have GI tract issues that you can't figure out the cause. Lemon balm has been shown to help relieve heartburn, nausea, and excessive burping, and has been shown to treat irritable bowel syndrome. 1 cup a day may keep these annoying symptoms under control. A study showed that the antispasmodic effects of lemon balm significantly decreased the severity of abdominal cramping associated with menstruation. It also had a positive effect on energy levels and mood swings, but not on the duration of bleeding time. If you're learning something new, please hit that like button. Lemon balm is a good source of antioxidants. Drinking lemon balm tea regularly may reduce oxidative damage done to your system. Lemon balm has been reviewed recently for its ability to protect against heart disease by lowering triglycerides, which, if elevated, may increase your risk of heart attack and stroke. It is also anti-inflammatory and decreases stress, which further protects the heart. It has also been shown to stabilize heart palpitations, which is when you have a period of time when your heart is beating excessively fast or out of rhythm. As always, if you're pregnant or nursing, if you use a prescription medication, or have a chronic health condition, always check with your healthcare provider to make sure that any herb you're interested in using is safe for your particular circumstance. Drinking lemon balm tea has been shown in studies to increase skin elasticity and reduce the damage done by UVB light from sun exposure. What a delicious way to look younger! While more studies are needed, there have been a few studies that have shown that drinking a cup of lemon balm tea daily may prevent colon cancer and possibly even fight it. Be aware if you have low thyroid hormone, lemon balm, if taken on a routine basis, may decrease your thyroid levels even more. While occasional use should not cause problems, check with your doctor before using lemon balm internally often. You also need to pay attention to how it affects you specifically. Since it has anti-anxiety and anti-insomnia properties, it may make you drowsy, so driving may not be a good idea right after a cup of tea. This may not be an issue with some, but be alert to the fact that it can happen. If you found this information helpful, but you want more information on herbal medicines, click here. Thank you for joining me today to learn how many ways lemon balm can improve your health. Stay healthy. Remember, if life gives you lemon balm, make some tea, and have a blessed week.